Welcome to your national weather update. Don't forget to hit subscribe on our YouTube channel and then you'll never miss a forecast. And there's plenty going on in the forecast over the next couple of days. Already in the past 24 hours, we've had a lot of rain across western Scotland. As you can see on the radar, the zone of rain slowly pushing southwards, linked into a line of cloud that extends out into the Atlantic. And this little ripple on the weather front is an area we're looking at closely. It's developing over the next 24 hours into an area of low pressure, and it's going to bring a spell of wet and windy weather across the UK during Tuesday night and into Wednesday before heading its way up across the Northern Isles later on Wednesday. So a spell of wet and windy weather is on the way, and for some today it's going to be a bit damp and drizzly because as we rewind the clock, we've got these two weather fronts around, hence why it has been so wet across western Scotland overnight. Only slowly tracking southwards, staying quite damp across southern Scotland, parts of South Wales, southwest England too, but not much rain getting to eastern areas, and with some brightness across East Anglia and the southeast. Really quite mild here, 19, possibly 20 degrees Celsius. Skies brightening across northern Scotland as well, so a bit of afternoon sunshine here, but it will be quite blustery. Elsewhere, a lot of cloud. It is quite mild though, 17, 18 degrees, even where it's dull and damp, but obviously not feeling all that mild with the cloud and the rain. Now that rain will pep up as we go through this evening across Northern Ireland, but also southern and then central Scotland. Further rain to come tonight across Wales too. That is all tied in with that developing area of low pressure, not just turning wet, but also turning very windy, especially around the coast of Wales and southwest Scotland. But with the wet and windy weather, it's going to keep those temperatures up again overnight tonight. A very mild night. Some towns and cities staying in the mid-teens. So it won't be a cold start to Wednesday, but it's not going to be a very pleasant start. A lot of spray, a lot of surface water on the roads across northern England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland, and very gusty winds as well. We do have a Met Office yellow warning in place for those gusty winds. The wet weather will swing its way eastwards, eventually getting to East Anglia and the southeast, probably around the early part of the afternoon. It'll be followed by brighter skies for many come the afternoon, sunshine, but also a fair few showers zipping on what will still be a very gusty wind across northwest England, western Scotland, Northern Ireland. Plenty of showers through the afternoon and into the evening. Let's take a look at the temperatures because they're going to be quite interesting actually. Starting off very mild, temperatures at 9 o'clock in the morning, 16, 17 degrees, feeling really quite humid with that wet weather around. But cooler air is following on behind this weather front, and that is being introduced across all areas so that by the afternoon temperatures could be a degree or so lower, and it'll certainly feel a lot fresher. We'll have lost that humidity. So feeling cooler perhaps in the afternoon than in the morning. But also, as I said, it will be drier and brighter for many. There's that weather front finally clearing away from East Anglia and the southeast by mid-afternoon, hopefully, if not a touch earlier. And then most places with clear spells as we head into Wednesday night, but plenty more showers coming in across northern and western parts, and that's how Thursday's looking too. As I said, plenty going on, so make sure you stay up to date. You can see the weather warnings on the app and on the website, and of course, we'll keep you updated hour by hour if you follow us on Twitter.